I am going to teach you how anyone can start a $1 million online business this year with AI. This is exactly how I made 8 figures after I got fired from my 9-to-5 job. And just yesterday, I made over $3,000 by doing this. And no, I didn't have to buy any inventory. There is no shipping involved. There are no tariffs. There is no middleman, no suppliers, none of that. Because all you need is yourself and a designated AI agent to help you make money. If you are new to the AI world and you want to use AI to help you make your first $1 million online, then make sure you check out my training in the YouTube description below. Okay, so today I am going to explain to you in 5 steps how you can make your first $1 million and AI will do all of the heavy lifting for you. Step 1, you need to have an idea on how you are helping others. So in every business, you are serving and helping others. For example, you may not have noticed, but in this video, this is an educational video, and I am helping you make your first $1 million this year. I am serving you. So I want you to write down right now, what are some things that you enjoy helping others do? So if we use myself as an example, I enjoy helping you make money online. This has been my niche the last 7 years. If you go back to my previous YouTube videos, you may have noticed that I teach people how to make money online because that is something I truly enjoy doing. Now for you, it may be something different. Maybe you enjoy helping others get fit. Maybe you love working out and you want to help others get in shape. Or maybe you enjoy getting healthy. You want to teach others how to live a healthy lifestyle. Or another example can be you came from a very challenging marriage and you want to help people attract their ideal significant other. The ideas are endless. So I want you to write down 5 things that you enjoy helping others do. Now, if you get stuck here, all you need to think about your conversations that you have with your close friends and family. Obviously, when you have personal conversations, you are helping your friends and family achieve something, right? Hopefully you have some family members or friends where you talk to on the regular. And this is where you have to think, what are some things that I talk about with my family and friends? When do I start giving them advice? When do I offer them some type of help? And if you are still stuck, then I recommend you to use AI to help you discover what you want to help others achieve. So if you go to ChatGPT, you can type in the prompt, I enjoy fitness, okay? Just type in whatever it is that you enjoy. So I enjoy fitness, and then you can ask ChatGPT, what are some things that I can help others do when it comes to fitness? So then ChatGPT will give you a list of ideas on how you can help others based on something that you are passionate about. Eventually, this becomes your niche, okay? So stay with me here because this will all make sense at the very end. So for me, you already know that I love helping people make money online. So that is my niche. I don't want you to overthink this because truthfully, there is no wrong or right. You see, in other types of online businesses, you are required to find some type of home run product, or you are required to find some type of winning product so you can get paid from your customers. In this business model, it is totally different. You cannot lose with your ideas. So if you want to help someone get fit and fitness is your niche, it is nearly impossible to lose because there are billions of people who have access to the internet looking for educational type of videos and looking for help from someone like you. Just like how I randomly attracted you to this video. You are probably someone who wants to make more money and therefore you are watching this video. So there is no losing when it comes to having an idea on how you can help others. Which brings me to step 2, which is bringing your idea online by posting educational videos. So again, you are here right now because you are watching an educational video from me. I am teaching you how to make your first $1 million this year. Now, whatever niche you are in, you have to start posting educational videos to attract the right audience to invest into your digital products. So for example, if you are into fitness, you should be posting educational videos around fitness so you can attract the right audience and the right customers who will pay you for your knowledge. This is exactly what I've been doing the last 7 years. If you look at my social media accounts on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, you will see that all I do is post educational videos around my niche. And this has made me more money than anything I've ever done in my life. I think people underestimate how powerful the internet is. The second that you upload a video, it has a chance to go viral as long as it is a good piece of content. And if you start posting educational videos around fitness, then eventually your viewers become paying customers. Now you may be thinking, but Tamara, I don't want to go on camera. I don't want to show my face. Can I still do this? Yes, you can, because with the power of AI, I am going to teach you how you can use AI to go completely faceless. You can even clone yourself so your AI clone can do all of the video creation for you. And if you don't want to use your face at all, you can outsource your face to another AI agent. Okay, so now that you are posting educational videos around your niche, it is time to package all that information into a digital product. So if you are helping someone achieve something, then you need to package your information and your knowledge into a digital product. Just like how I packaged all this information about online education and using AI agents in an online course. You can find my training in the YouTube description below. Now notice what I just did. I am pointing you to my digital product, which is going to teach you how to make your first $1 million this year. For example, maybe you are helping someone attract their significant other. Obviously, you have information and knowledge that you want to share. You need to sell that information and knowledge. And the only way to do that is to package that into an online course, which is a digital product. Now, you may be thinking, but Tamara, this sounds like a lot of work. I don't know how to create a digital product from scratch. I don't know how to create an online course. Well, this is where AI comes in, and AI can help you create your entire course outline for you. They can even help you create your entire online course in a matter of minutes. That is how powerful it is. And I can show you exactly how to do that. And if that is not cool enough, you can use AI text to speech. So for example, let's pretend that you don't want to talk on camera, right? You don't want to show your face. You don't want to use your voice. You don't want to create your digital product using any part of you. You can outsource everything to an AI agent who can do that for you. So you can use someone else's voice for your digital product. I think it's crazy how AI is changing the game in the online business world. And if you don't get on this, you are getting left behind. You are literally losing millions of dollars by not doing this, because AI can help you do so many things that a regular employee can do, except they can do it 10 times better and faster. 7 years ago, when I created my first digital product, which was an online course teaching people how to start successful Amazon FBA businesses, I did everything from scratch. It's crazy to think that I even did that because truthfully, it is a lot of work. But nowadays, AI can do literally everything for you. Okay, so step 4 is driving traffic to your digital product. What good is it if you spend time creating an online course and nobody sees your online course because nobody knows who you are? This is when you have to have social media to help you drive traffic to your digital product. And don't worry, I am not going to teach you how to spend thousands of dollars on paid advertising just so you can get some traffic to your social media accounts. Just so you know, your digital product is linked in your social media accounts. For example, if you have a look at my Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, I link all of my digital products and training on my social media accounts. That way, when viewers find me on social media, they may be interested in buying my digital product. So the simplest way to drive traffic to your digital product is by posting educational videos. This is in step 2, like what we talked about earlier. For example, you can see that I post content across all my social media accounts. They are all educational videos around helping you make money online. So if someone is interested in making money, they may be interested in buying my digital product, which is an online course teaching you how to do this. Now, here's where people start thinking, oh my gosh, I don't want to spend all day talking to people on social media just so they can pay me for my digital product. Well, this is when your AI agent comes in and does all the talking for you, okay? For my social media accounts, sometimes it's my AI agent responding to you. It's not me, it's my AI agent. And nobody questions this because it's becoming the norm. All the viewers need to do is comment a specific keyword on your social media, and then my AI robot will respond to them in the DMs. This way, I don't need to use my time to sell you my digital products. My AI robot is doing that for me. And lastly, this is the fun part. This is a repeatable system that makes money on autopilot with just yourself and with the help of AI. You don't need to hire anyone. There is no coding involved. You don't need to manage a team. In fact, I parted ways with a few people on my team that worked in my company for the last few years. And the reason why I did that is not because they suck or I don't like them. In fact, we had a very close relationship. But the reason why I did that and I parted ways with people is because AI was doing so much more for me. And when I implemented this the last few months, I made more money with just myself and with the help of an AI agent than I ever did when I had a team of 15 people. I need you to understand that this is where the world is shifting. And if you don't start this right now, you will be left behind. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then just drop it in the comment section below. Coming up next is a video that I did with one of my students. She followed this entire system, and that is how she made over $7,000 in 14 days.